Ade khathu imapha zodi. Hayi. Producers okuma ngo. Ade phalese. Mkona, have serious. Ait. The trailer.
That's your penguin one. Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Diaries. We're back. We've been gone, Mara. We're back. So we don't know. Actually, I think
we never left.
remember that definition was sorry. We need to start alternating the shows because it's too rough now.
Yeah, guys, like
at this point, out here not.
Zinki in that.
So we're coming at you live from Lens Up Studios, 138 Gugum Rebi Street, Newtown. If you want to contact them, they want numbers away. Kader kusokwamba man.
Aye. Atina nzulumanazo.
Ita intro on deep. Ita intro deep.
Yeah.
The details hapo. Ndio ndo find.
Ziyafanda. Hey. Eli zinathe alibali in the land.
Yeah, I don't know what they're on guy.
I don't know what they're. So nikutiyamba phone number physics.
No, you can do anything.
Okay, guys, we're coming to you live from Lens Hub Studios, address Tingambi. So their number is 081-473-4775. I repeat, 081-473-4775. I don't know if I need to rewind.
Rewind. My DJ. Yeah, so guys, as we were still saying, welcome to another episode of the Diaries.
Yes, guys.
It's been a while.
Yeah, we've been gone. And it's going to say me on Friday DM.
No, besides the people, just me saying, hey, open.
Oh yeah. Oh, I never go shoot a page. That was here. Lini. A month ago.
Probably then. Yeah.
Yo guys.
Hey, it's been.
Yeah, it's been. It's not like we don't miss it. We've just been very busy.
Yeah. And then since we last met, no time in what's this thing?
It has been painted.
Yeah, colorful conversation.
And we eat after her bay. Oh guys, it was really amazing and
I didn't even come this time around.
Tina no video klani ngoba madakani.
That's Dakar and ndiyarkhotse nepala. Tsinani.
Shino ngoyinzo ngoda.
Cause nandi busy.
No dzula.
Nandi go collect something.
Shino nichipedza collector.
Ndalanda to.
Ngoyiniso ngoda nichipedzola.
Uda guy. Anando.
Rikwamba ngagai.
Dar es Salaam.
Awudini awuna bathu unodina. Come on. But anyways, it was great, although the weather really took me off, But
it rained.
Yeah, it was raining and it was cold. So and then it did stop raining though, and then I was like, and but I was like, I can't put people there. Imagine it doesn't really make sense. So I had to move inside. So that meant the camera quality is not as good.
But then I thought you said it was gonna be inside no matter what.
No. Ndori ndikodo change. I remember ndandikodo ndanga mrawa VIP hapa la nikubona pale ure green. Tira litanga nge steps in. Rar kuimuvera ngange mrawa. So it was raining. There was no way we were going to sit there.
Wait, mrawa Dar es Salaam diga. Let's start there.
Mrawa ndi unena jena ngao. Ndi onenga mrawa. Unena tio unena paka ona pale unera paka ona.
Ngona pale unera paka ona.
VIP yes. Ndiga mrawa.
Mrawa ugiti.
Panda ndi entrance.
No, mrawa ugiti.
Yeah. I don't know. Mara ujeno wangi.
Like riko jana getende variko jana rosi za mrao.
Ndina pala midini une voti la sitting room au jenu ngalo njena ngala kitchen. Mara li one. I think Indian vibe. Yeah, but anyway, the turnout was good for the weather. I was shocked as well.
Compared to the 1 year last year?
No, I still think the 1 year last year was better.
Okay.
Because what happened now is there are people that bought tickets but they couldn't come. So looking at the event, not as a finance, it did well. But then it's not a good thing where you see the women a gap. Do you understand? It's like, but then I don't know those the finance business. Then you're like, okay, we did sell out, but then now the fact that other people couldn't come was a bit of a problem. But also, it was a very busy weekend in Venda. I think other commitments. But either way, everything went well. It was quite nice. It was quite nice. Plus, everyone got sloshed because there was bottomless mimosas. So imagine a painting where everyone is drunk. Proper.
No,
But
like the
the vibe. Yes, the art was amazing. I'll do a reel on that when there's like a TikTok. I'll
was taking
just
pictures this time around.
Bruh.
Remember last time you all took gold pictures. How goldfish.
Yeah. I didn't drop those. But yeah, I don't put this one phone. Yeah, I allowed people to take using their phones. I used mine as well, although mine is always busy. But yeah, it was not bad. What did I
do since we last met?
You were working at church.
When?
Kombornani, you've just been busy doing church.
I went to church once since then.
You lie.
Trust
so
me.
I go shoot hang.
Guy?
Kerken
guy. Venda kana pano?
No, pano.
I only went there once. I just I go shoot on these other days. No, actually. So I go shoot I just went there. Memorial. Oh, actually, that's the last day I went there.
Speaking of the memorial, bruh.
Hey. Wait,
Hey, dude.
That guy, is actually the one I never introduced Kaiji Studio.
You lie.
For real. So now come on.
That's weird. Were you guys close like that?
I wasn't close with him. That's the funny thing. Because none come on TK. No, I be the lorry. Then I went to Tanganisani. Now I'm just Tomo Shutapan.
Yeah.
I was like, I was like, yeah. So.
Oba and he was like into. There was actually but. Oba Achita mini. Oba like how did he know him? Was he into like media stuff and whatever?
It was the graphic design, I think.
Oh,
yes.
Yes. Ndikumbura the poster my posters wara.
Yeah, so that guy when I get there, I think actually the comment TikTok or we exchanged the numbers, and then just at that time I thought, hey, podcast here we go shoot my blind. I'm like, yeah, thanks, Rabakash. This other day, I and it's like, he texts me, it's like, hey man, there's this other guy I know. I'll talk to him for you, and then you can go and record there. Let's push each other as Venda people.
Yo.
And then from there.
So that was the first time Nishamba na in Njimwana. So the thing is, I knew him somewhere. Technical, I think. I knew him somewhere in high school, Matomoni, because he dated one of our friends. I'll tell you who. One of my, in my friend circle. So and then this Chamudi, so Kirkin fasting. Ukubona magura ndivango producer abarifino magura ndiva idoro dziva kamera vodzira rashuta inendisa koba idoro post for winning friends. But anyways, yeah. So I knew him then ndamuhangwa because imagine nobona mtu ka graded nasichamubona.
Yeah.
So ndele ngavege fasting, I'm chilling in the car. Ndajifuna uyanda magafuni guri. So I'm chilling in the car, and then he comes and he knocks. And then I'm like, hi. He's like, do you know me? I'm like, not really. Because usually and I remember, I really didn't remember him. And then we start talking. He's like, no, I'm Tabero Warawara. I dated. I was like, oh yes, now I remember your name. Munganwang. I'm telling you all the time, Munganwang.
Movie.
We can't say it here.
Why not?
We can't be talking about repeated what this is. Izobo. After
the show was gone.
The show was gone. So he comes to me and he's telling, and then funny enough, we just started talking about relationships, and then he was telling me, no, life is crazy. I was like, yo, Brad, and then it's just vibes, and then we were talking, and then he somehow said he wants to have a baby. I'm like,
hey.
No, it's not a bad thing. And then he was just saying how at home they always hinted, and I'm like, why? Hey, I'm so gissy, I'm shooting. I'm happy socks. When you were ferreira, you were ferreira, Mwazi. Remember, Papa Porco Freezer. In the room, Budzori. Anyway, no bread jacket.
Pizza. I don't know. This year I'm going to force and very another paper.
This week you read Amazon.
So
Manju what ndozvona zvivoni affecta kuti vaserious story hai ihone avakhumbuza izvo rava ri khou say akhamburi yo parents actually love bringing up this topic. I guess we're at that age. We spoke. It was a very nice conversation for muthu ane timudivi and then he left. That was the last day we spoke. I think ro conversate nga duwa lopetsela la fasting. That was it. And then it was chai. And I'm just like, God, why introduce me to someone and then they pass on in a month? Like, he could have just not spoken to me, bro. That when this song and then I would just be like, oh, okay, he looks familiar. So, guys.
So now good and yeah, mulova. As in namsere kushuta. Namana prakiti. Nechachi gombori. No, choposta mutu akirikeni angia obi. Then it's like happy birthday. Ela post itwanga memorial. Then I'm like, hey, RIP because I know this guy from church. She's like, I never come hey, but can go poor blind. And now go to diva.
Yeah.
I feel like a point in but I'm like, okay, I've seen this person. I've very contact with this one.
It's always like that.
Because cars she tell like, oh, okay. It's life. So not go to media teeny. It's hitting hard.
And the thing is, on a Sunday, and I had to come back over Venda on Monday. Dude, the anxiety I had, I couldn't even sleep. But then I don't know, man. It's bruh, like the accident. It's scary. It's crazy to think, Uri. It's not even up to you. Like exactly. It can literally be. And I'm like, guys.
Yeah, because parakita kamboren. Hey, nibe safe na me. I'm like, sometimes you want to be safe, mara you can't.
Yes. It can literally be mutu onokuvandira ano adaje na kai. Kana zwaba zvino ndiko vandiko dapo and it can happen. So it's not about distance.
And the search drop episode.
Hey, then flop on the your episode diko tiob.
Chamboru -1 view.
Yeah, at view to the one.
It's funny when you want to
voice
your voice was about swing.
Hey, I'm
like, huh?
What?
No, I think as a shigiri. It's not brother. But as a shigiri.
Because I mean, I'm so can because no man ended and I prep and I was like, I don't prep. I don't wait. I was like, guys, but it's not rocket science, man. At the if you wanted to and I want to flip. That was funny.
So hey, now we're pandemic in yo, dude. What Temu?
Nigga dembe bakure. Neno rumelo a little brother. Ngano mianga. Bro. You know how these 2000s are. My dog, you can literally get like 4 gifts, bro. I'm like, my nigga, please. It's the part where he said, in order for me to get, I must share it. I'm like, bro, do you know my friends? Nendi share to Temu. My life would be over, bro. I love how much they put in their marketing. It's crazy.
What do you mean? But it's every company.
Like
your Uber, your Shein, all
these but you need good money. But
even Temu is big, just like Shein.
That's what I'm saying. I love how much they put in their marketing. I'm sure there are companies in Jizine, they could have been like Temu if they had the budget. Marketing, you pay for that.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so I'm just saying, Uri, I love how much they put the money.
Is like, I'll never to a category when they want to eat.
No, she. No. But I'm just saying, Uri, what they push. Yeah, they put, meaning it has money. Don't you think if Ananashin? I think it's the same thing. It's just that the name is weird.
Temuzan.
Gabriel But I just think the name is weird.
No, it's not weird. I feel like even Shein is weird. It's Tomoshika.
Shein is better.
Imagine when you feel Bolt. No, do Uber. I want to do danga Bolt. Nasa say.
No, we have virgin when you Didi. Zombo di office. No, we are now moving chunga mahala. No era the van. We came down. You want to zero and I want to believe it. And that's go withdraw. And I withdraw just in case. Avala munda ndapaka will agree at dala. Did go move. What am I embarrassed? Did you follow? Did you tabari? It says zero. But I'm like, how? About you, but
that's the thing. Those people get I don't understand what whether anyone complain in a promo because you all get paid.
Didi didn't make it, eh?
No, I will only
Zobo pisa. But I think there's a lot of them that have come up and then they just didn't make it.
You see Uber Eats. If Uber Eats to make a profit in 2022, 2021. I'm not so sure. Mara yone to manga uma 2017, if not 18. Mara profit year to me like 3 years later.
Which makes sense because remember Uber Eats in Korenga's laws of 500. Whenever quite a very small percentage. Driver na yo eat yo ula na yo jambori. By the time they actually make profit, they must order in order for them to make money.
Yeah.
But I think now they've made it.
Yeah, I feel like now Uber is there now. You're paid. I change going to.
Ne?
I don't think
we actually work with Uber, but yeah. Huh?
You work with them?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Hey, Marianga si Uber. Who's to finish my Uber?
Shima Bolt.
No. Hey, it's
yeah, so
different.
For me, kai Temu yon. Because I'm Andre ne is so everywhere. Because the hapo fika pale dira roya. Sini Antun. Venda Plaza. Rich couple of people go bad. This other guy was telling offer a phone, who got bad days. And then had the Braya or 9ish man. You know, having someone called the other team who could join. Then I'm like, wait, Java Rabati.
But then how you know what? Nemara twinyo goreng and right. The sharp.
You know, Marsone, who has quality, Mara?
No, she has quality.
She in quality.
Arrange the bagam tank or no better guy.
Because that guy would spend 26,000 on Temu. I need to try out all these things.
Do
you mean?
26,000 is got try out. Upin.
That guy is Venda, man.
Kwamba zwa mutu.
Ni kwamba zwa mutu.
Ndikunyaga uri vatu vadive. Uri mutu de oyo.
Rdove kunepe kwawe for more.
Yani
ngwa. Kunepe kwawe.
Naso kwamba.
Nisina ngwadubari yamba. So yeah. Well, I'm orangas 26,000 just to try out all those things. Awaka mortgage chidocho nene achieve for nacho. Orangas duro.
Oh, ina furniture.
Home. Men, ladies, kiddies.
Kugoroi.
Gorewa nasiruge. Kama zibajaji zovani nge. Zinoziko to utanda.
Ungakuoda. Wewe wakujia ukadanga RMX.
Ngapona kujia posoni.
Posoni hafi kungange mra kukoyo jiwa koputeliwa.
Zinochina kubaranjira vatu vano katuma runokera na mavotini.
Vatemu.
Batu.
So what do people get from getting other people to like register?
I feel like it's sort of the rewards that the banga anime, all these things. I feel joiner needs the insurance, like ndiko refer in and then dawana commission. Salama say anga dewa niko joiner, anga comes ku 40 rand off.
Yeah.
Aya renga katem abadets customs paid.
Oh.
So just that. So hey.
Okay. I get it. Ane kane mangasikhokhonyo, ukukhonyo yabiyongo ndizvo. They were like I code you to the register Temu.
Ujana bane for not bantu.
Arina.
Come on. Ndozibona ngodwa munga. Nishko tsagureni. Nishko drengani guri ndozibona munga. No itantu. Tazore insano jaya ka uba. Not gure beba jaya.
You have no funny.
Nishko tsaka uba. Nishko rengo tsego charge.
As mapungo charge, but I feel like Uber drivers make you feel bad for taking time. Liko utsa. Ani kono ita zero relax ati. Diba tuko busy kido da dama mlandi skozo ndiko like niponga liko menzana chipinga. No matter code ndiba bayira first. Like they make you feel bad. Nitwanga niko bad. Nitwanga noto puwa lift. You Uber. Nitwanga noto puwa lift. So they make you feel like you're wasting their time, bro.
Zino zifano kare Uber yesoro wana za COVID. Tino re uto zura mra like. But wachi zura ngapanda amini.
Nenti wenda vona zura ngapanda nakabot.
Jara vona kini mangana ti. Singodzura
ndindote
ya normal ndodzura ngapanda mutu zvino natroya so namsini nothing naro nendoro yanda mona golose ndikunyanga kwakavotela mini lene la diagonal naye la mrawo ti uri wait list ndisongodza mrawo akuzofonga ndikumuhongodza mrawo
no uri kanji wabosendedza city mrawo so it's like exactly. You want him to be
and then ndichikoyanga amudza kuri razori yani mrawo nge I'm like hey this guy amudumpa one so I should have recommended you. Apparently that's how it works. Anyways, the last time, guys, we spoke to you, Rambanga, that's career choice.
Oh, yes.
That's a very crucial thing that we should talk about.
Yeah.
I'm sure I'm going to apply. I'm sure the two sangor I want to reverse now and apply.
Yeah.
So.
Rasangoro do anamutu.
Nah.
Raro do jamba.
Ignorant the research nine.
Oibu.
ndikufuna plan ngothoma
but yontamba episode yamra nendo promise research yami tifuni research ndimana lithila buchulanga
okay ndori ni check into nar ndi check
ndori ni check mbi
not check digital marketing phase
ndi check azvizvipedzi zvinonchumera but anyways guys I think I know a bit yeah
so none is not like to I just wrote zvine zvavazvitonyanga and like okay kondo zama check akubva zvine zvava zvona so I was actually thinking ti uri vatu vachi apply for varsity vatu grade 12 but basiko una lot monoko apply uri ndikwa university ndegenge yotoma yokaka abana genge ya video ri vadondiva ino applies la dzange
actually
they care zvingozvo and then akona vatu vane vakapply zvine vazvifuna na mini and then so ndanikosa mumulazori in South Africa already una khosonji dzine dzeta vatu vadziita just because they want to go to varsity vadzidzirayan pride yabeyo vamwe vatu vanya kudzirayan after grade 12
vamwe ni baby
exactly nazvo ini towana vatu vadori mini vachikubona nyapono so ndanikosa mumulazori khoso dzine dzavantu actually ndispe khoso dzine dzazori people do that vapasa blind mara they never get jobs
asidzothe
no
ndofuna madhokodheya vodzirawa yani so I'm like what
but then madhokodheya ndokefati ngobana communication I'm to study communication like at this point yes there is some communication ushuma guy if there's someone ane adivanga kadiro
I know
ushuma guy to communication
every company needs a communication person
spokesperson
not a spokes utomwala vari vazvidiva nafana
unantu no communication
you need a communication person the thing is nichipa communication kuva mtu ushimwamba and it doesn't work like that
usike wotola vakufungudza unemployment
vokupusha
voroma mwana
vorwesa
ndituka ndi 3 odianga 4 ndi 4 cause those first come
such a big company is giving Amazon no but I'm just saying I do not think una khosa ine totally told you the communication is dzobva this is the thing poso zore dzodala
nazo problem guys zvinoda kuzuma nkozamba
okay my degree is media but there's communications as well it's media and communications so if I want to do communications
I'm trying to get communication yote
I know a girl ane oiita na honors so ushuma I think she works in turf so she's like a tizvondi lecturer kani minini mara ahuna company south with communications
mara vanje vapedza vadzi academia bunjavo although na vatu vane vaita zila courses dzadza vacho bunjavo svito hazviti to ndopedza vadzi academia I've seen it also na university and then una course makazoita mini abe obe amba kai mini
public relations PR is like nayo company winning I thought PR asi mutu wait at the statement what okay correct me if I'm wrong
statement
like okay let's say if a company if anything happens now
obipa after what take wait I mean means of
can anything good it can be anything good let's say let's say ndikoita black couch iko collaborator na lens whatever mutu onoti yodila nazvo because the way you put it as a normal person as ungoita PR is not the way mutu wa PR ozviera chikoloni is going to put it the wording the whatever so boto zviera chikoloni umware
zvino ngamba soti yeso zvikubulewa ngazila courses dzanta that's one thing I've seen because what happens is that unamtu ane kuita what is it arts economics okay economics is because of Quran mara doshimza this example just so you get what I'm trying to say uketa economics apedza ti and zvachambwa na time actually uchikuita science if it science you get to do whatever you want to do after mara mtu oita commerce they've like a bottle ine bottle dzura kayo pedzi abayunga pedzi
can only be numbers and what business
so nende yadya medicine ndabva na natural science ndaita mini za commerce zvavo so last zvakambo ndakusema rinero rari so as engineers people assume work as engineering mara within that vanopangwa the ethics there's business management business studies all those things so niwenda wobrodena chimwe na chimwe muntu akono habi papa inikwange so havala vatu ndona pedza vakujera mishumo nga vatu vanangame vorine because I'm like okay hono oita degree ya 4 years inoita PR 2 years na min so arjiona na ane angava ana more knowledge years so I'm like
mara vangasini je ni engineer va expector ni ngwale PR statement
for PR one, PR makes sense. That's what she makes example.
No, then communications in English.
That's what she makes example economics. No, damn, for you to understand, I'm gonna use economics.
Yeah, and the way it says
economics. PR engineering.
No, economics. Udo darmin ka PR statement. Then and then this so media. I might sound like I've done a lot in media, but I don't think I would write a PR statement. I wouldn't do that. Don't know Jibona. Like the only thing they can do is they can write it and bring it to me, and then I would take some things there and understand. Oh, okay. When you look at it, it looks easy. But for you to jot it down from scratch, unless you go for ChatGPT.
Wouldn't you say, PR or B karne? Literally that, because it's just the structure of a company. Or aita hezuno. So the company is so food. Or nampora so ugeta engineering a different kayang mara. Jesus, because it makes sure from when engineer.
What who do mean?
It's like the whole structure a company or the communication, all those things.
So like your HR basically.
Yeah, exactly.
So you would ningaita mshumo HR.
So a lot of never eat at what I've realized. They are teaching you or the company anu nisongo itantu. Isonga tawanyowa nikorera batu ini. So at least you get to do all these things by yourself, and then there's a company to work. Then
makes sense.
Yeah,
makes
so
sense.
that's one thing. And then so I feel like kuna mishimini to be guaranteed. In as much as but whether this duraya and marabo I didn't read your neighbor in Tanyan. So
like teaching.
So
Yeah, nursing as well.
Exactly.
The queen, yes, jare nganyana marabanga zidure sarine. Yes, batuli kutodiwa in bulk.
Corolla mara, those people are getting
like queen wana Corolla.
Exactly. Na mtu engineer so kudzura wayani.
It's and that's like the saddest thing.
Classing, busy. Uko repeat 15 mwana mungu.
Asangwari ajipa mwana choko. Oi. My handwriting is so bad.
Oh, damn.
That's why this was so serious. Mara with ndandu kunyagamba kala HR I think radio sets an agenda as well. I don't think how many male receptionists have you seen?
Exactly,
like yeah, shontonga zvezo ita vodzi, you know? What's the admin, public admin? Aone mara asimanje so nityo sedzana ini mune uri. Like ndaba ndiko interview na mfumakazi. As an engineer, you know, uri nda interview na mfumakazi roterenga jiwa, chances of both of us being taken is okay. Mara, I don't think I would want to put a man ka front desk yanga. Not that it doesn't make sense.
Just wouldn't make sense.
Yeah, it just doesn't make sense for me to call Afara base, you know. Okay, not like my type of base, but like male. But like male base.
Like, yeah, I get you.
Yeah, and for as much as we might try to debate it, it's just what it is.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like in this years.
Speaking of that, last weekend, Nando the mutual cleaner. So I'm phoning, I don't know, I'll come tomorrow and I shop. Busikuba and send a text very, my sister, I can't make it, but my husband is good as well. Covered each other to corrupt. Then what you're meaning when I'm to what the it was gonna be so awkward. And the then don't that's the first another like I wouldn't know what to do. So yeah, I guess in India for my cards and I'm sure in India I feel like it's love Jena Basia Guri. Although my Cindy Manongachi is written at the video every day. I'm shocked every day. I'm like, girl, it's so male. Because Uma Korea Gandak and I'm like, what?
Oh, I built for mini.
Una Bobojani. Chimbrana. Bobojani.
I think I mean,
what is it?
And then so mechanic, I mean food. Yeah, I feel like so long as engineer in as well. It makes so much sense, but whatever.
Yeah.
So hey, and then I checked during this period careers in South Africa too.
Yeah.
So I think I know what I also coffee software developers.
Yes.
I feel like
yeah.
You go to do like apparently una demand. So what kind of IT? Ngozubona rohamba so una demand. Mntu una 30 minutes udonya kuita IT na minu just because of it.
Angayiita man.
Yabeze kubonisa chipuku. Ndela zona nkambu mntu waita khoso yobonisa to chipuku chabonwa ngaye.
Mara already a phesa story ngori ika demand azviyamburi ndikoti yenda JUP kana UJ kana guy. A phesa uri even if they itanga college.
Not tech.
Now you dare me. People are employed in a certificate 3 months and you guys think it's a joke. Because I feel like, okay, let me tell you the truth. Mostly in companies now, it's what you can do, not how much you studied.
Yeah.
Nina ona simara, can you set up an app? No, you can't. Guys, 3 months can change your life. Go and search for those courses. You need a graphic design for 3 months.
And then also there's like
driving. You can't drive the whole year. Get a short course.
So license, then I realized you do. Exactly.
Yeah.
So engineering, accounting, and then also be actual scientist, guys.
Hey,
such things. So
you need more advice. And then you guys say, "Just follow me, no poster. I'm a doctor. Like WhatsApp, and then plug."
Oh,
actual site. Guys,
what's wrong with it?
Yeah, it's all right. The mental what right? As well as the depression gets the cause of the as well as the suicide attempt gets the cause of the Matter, why do you think that university inji, like your vets, any vets now, you should tell us. What vets, what guy? You know that it's all about UP. These universities like they want really high marks. So you must be a good genius. You must be a genius urinigene. Because but when you move about the 7 destination like we need to have this conversation because we see them. And then you're like, no, this guy used to teach me maths and then now he's not there anymore. Like, what happens? Do you guys get pressurized? Just because you've got 7 distinctions does not mean you are smart enough over actual scientists. I mean, science and maths.
That's what we said, Rosenberg.
No, ni blind kana kunyango prove.
Oh.
Yes. Na pfunga ni blind.
Yeah, so here's the thing, too. One thing I've realized in like you said, not than 7 distinctions, see? And there come distinctions and the 8.
Yeah.
Come as 90, as 100, see? You get there. At 30, at 40. And remember, I'm not the 40 from 14 or 50 or passing a diploma. I mean, apparently now on 49, no fail as I come. So there's that thing where now I went from that kid which 100, where which one of my chair. That's kind of 100. I want to over 3 days. 3 weeks. I want 50 attack a man. So there's that thing. Comparison. I invest is your way. I want no fee into a guy upon. So what I think she never to depression. I mean, I wouldn't really blame it. Academics don't need or in the zone. But I feel like I play a role. So,
doesn't it play the biggest part of it most?
Oh, I wouldn't know.
Because yeah. Continue.
Invest in finance. Vets already will finance. It's fine. Don't have the home to ray. What about the school fees away? So I was like, okay, when I partition, you're Chikolonia and Chikolonia about 150. Nawamti, Mungamutu, na feira, Bazara ni rata. Zunayani, Augurubuyan. In no one else that you're up in the Genesis in the Genesis, UP. I was have it out here. Not one, not damn cool. And what of one not the full fair. Sorry, but okay, it's fine.
But you know, for as much as Nikori, you're not gonna blame. Yeah, say it. Just say you're going to hell anyway, so say it.
Wait, what if Napupa is safe?
Don't want any videos, no Twitter. And I'm like, to do this story wheelchair. This way and often there's what is another mention. No, I'm not going on a piece. It's chai. There's no killing yourself. You wait till you die. Like it's over for you, bro. Yeah. I was about to say, Urimini, for as much as you're saying you don't want to blame it more on academics, the reason why I don't mention a university is
I'm just saying
I know you're going to blame us on it because there's also finance and whatever. The truth is yes, but whenever I stress a guy, but usually not for suicide in the oh yeah, you know. But I don't think that academic stress is there. Hangeini ngori rekotangana na batho bane bachelor yabo ina 40. You know, we're together. It's vibes. It's not hectic. Na failure yana stuku. You're just like, come on. So it's not that bad. You know.
Thing is,
also the school fees. I don't think if that's what I'm saying. Okay, maybe it's everything. Zotangana, the finance, the academics, the pressure. You're already my genius. My genius.
The thing is, you can fail. Now I'm going to pass as at least in the return. Any dober. So like simple as that. I don't know if okay, and then maybe not good.
How did you feel though, Tom and failure?
I was like him. This was gonna say.
It's not
like
possible.
I never that.
And then I think the first thing I felt in my life was.
And then here's the thing: this you made a classy.
Oh shit!
Somebody now to know what you corner with the vets.
With the vets.
Okay, so it's life.
Yeah, so, failing is not a good feeling, especially not the way that like because when narova kavodzi top 10 and whatever. Namzini ka grade 12. Rosani din you knew namzini song of distinction you knew corner, so you're not bad. The very first thing I felt in my life was a learner's. I hated myself so. Failure training. Varsity ndisa ko failure. Ndisa dibisapo. Nguzwa no pasana vasina bayro nga learners. I was like, I felt like my world was ending. And go failure plus basta.
And as basta it out. Imagerene futhi.
I couldn't believe it. I was crying. I didn't understand because I am so used to working hard.
No, like past paper ilan. Not a criminal.
Dando shimisa shimini village app K53.
Epela sione. Unamuntu kana wadda kana kunya gushimisa ya muska ya murwa naye.
Ndikori yanthwati ndathuma ndadzura kaguba. Miyanga bari ndikobuya ndikudisechere dora ndo ya buke out a chance. I was shaking because abulo thoma ndikufeila. I felt like so I do understand the feeling. No one 100 high school. Toya ndo secondary ni now ana 20.
So hey, it's a big thing zakuma.
So people just need to be.
And then also you guys should be sensitive to us. So wanakona uzore.
Yes.
Sure. That's what I mean. Someone's go for us doluga because doluga I know it's something you can say. Mara nice also goes doluga bo.
Army.
Mara
inini ngasi mphone lezo sana nokho mngana dziko yes ndari weak a phone call. I have to say something.
So I choose. Yeah,
so you see is worse.
No, like no because
okay, anyhow do you want people to respond to you venting?
Nigasi mention it zinati. Mara mngu oita ozita kids. What that ni right ndar I need to write. Now not that kind go do they were running sharp. And then he's my friend. I'm like, dude, we are so close. I just want to go to the ministry. I'm the one abe nego to the afi no afi no I did something so roba songwamba. And then go to.
Yeah, that's why I'm already in Korea anyway. So
how then go to the
but we need to respond.
I'm not over. Then go to the condolences is like those
people are gonna mad. And so is weird.
No, like so in Pamad. Like the said, imagine Takuri, me like yo.
Nemanga over really. I wouldn't to mind of your phone. So goes for story.
So that's
you don't know what to do. Marayane boy.
Okay.
So also with condolences. What I hate in the line, don't worry, everything is gonna be okay. Don't say that. I don't say that to
which
people.
Is what I'm saying. Also, don't worry, because I'm based on condolences. Now I'm basing these things on academics and
usually,
people stress.
Usually, when it's condolences, academic when it's condolences, I'm gonna tell people, no, let it out. Make sure you cry as much as you can. That's just the best advice you can give anyone. Because people tend to bottle things up and then they're sick after the funeral. So, yeah, just cry it out.
Hey, so yeah, man. Ndakubona show if mean not the show actually ndobani kodwa the clip dzayo so ndita zondizolika yathoma sokoda multiple times due to the algorithm.
Okay.
So ndela yo if mean you're not the father, are you the father or what do so work with lots of him.
Why it mean
ati definitely not SABC. Do you mean
nothing?
So say you and I have a kid wala wana ahula and then asikotomana the weird things zvinoita kuitea sikamusokodha muthu mwana asokosomutakalela na mini then inasokotonoa omuthu kare muchekisa namuisa cotton so it's like itonga judge Judy nyana mara inoni
ndiyaga pano
nah
as a paternity court paternity I love that show
so afala ndakozomula zori this other guy ndobona imwe like it was so hurtful man they repost this guy unavana vararu apala mdini ti so he went ori mwana ndiko suspect or aswanga mutiti he goes there
last born
yeah avaru aswanga non and then abuto zvo pisa no pisa so amutera paternity test after that dabuya what you varenge
yana breaking you know in there
so you are not the father then I'm like oh damn and then lacha kutomurira lacha judge ndipumakadzo judge are actually because you are not sure of this one we decided to check all of them
and le says liphethe upenga
la check out what the zivaula kwala.
Mara, did you see Ilantino who circulator on Twitter yori like there's a certain percentage you need remember 99% of the men in SA are raising kids that are not theirs.
Yeah, it's very much possible. Mara
guys. Ya farasa dzani ni hawo well wapaloni ni fair.
Mara ungadotamana nthu. Ungadotamana wana hafu ya thumbu uri rive na butanzuri ndi washirote. Sako. Asa ndiye possibility. Hata wanenge ndeno didori mwana ndi wanu. Mfumakazi unofi. No, yes wangu ukaini. Sorry neso koro humblor. Angaba wanga. Avana wana mabudzi anthu osopringedzana.
Mara tadzi mwana ndiye nayo. Wakonofana na watu vararu. Zvino kautoiwa auroitwa.
Ni vanongofura ukufana wote.
No, ndikombori ini nichimusedzana wana chifana na ini na hola mumwe na mpoche msedza wana chifana naye.
I'm like, hey.
So it's very tricky. But I feel like parents do that just to toribana babo vavena, you know, usually it's financial security.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, can arrows financial security uba kopane mune afuna ene.
Hey.
So it's risky. That's when there's never nerkopa.
What do you think of paternity testing E2 at birth? Do you think it will be viable?
And I think it must happen, bro. I think for the sake of men, they deserve it because yaba bes lost to arusa mwana mingwa minji and then you're told
this other guy na akamo oya jail for 5 years ngora asakoita asakobadela
child
also realize that the kid isn't his.
Like imagine
what happens to that lady now?
And anga straight as for you mara uti for you ani fareli ufarisa muthu like false accusations. Okay, mara anga dirina ine azdibi
ladies amakola
anga dira I didn't know.
Nah.
No, you can literally say I didn't know. Aningas fareli some just
kola ladies amazon na ufuna richiborere
mara career yawe yotonga yofelo lati
chikozama
hango canceliwa
chivambaro zva white murungu
azviyambura ningo accuse mtu rape ngonoambara white.
Yeah, like at least with ladies ama vatu vozama unga vakuzvitori zvinge something mara the thing is she kept on doing everything even after female don't remember the talk graph the talk therapy like after one of the first Javano didn't do anything was guilt not that of you are guilty jamor are guilty because you never know this thing whenever we do what one of those right I mean a lot and is their words against each other pandako a judge I'm like hey so
no case rape ndingwevo he will never get to know the truth.
Here's the thing it is rape aunofi ndiyone kana asione imagine any munna wanu ukwakizwa rape ti hana ari as rape rorita mini zva rape rikozvipfa now inorarana mumwe mutu ndizvo zvinodhatoni
mara nezvino samufumakadzi ndiva ndisichena ndava I'm thinking my husband anindi breadwinner kwajeri so now I have to be on his side ridorwa after
ndizoita ngatoli small actually
yeah I have to be on your side because nikodofariwa so I need to watch out for my kids tinazidori katangane nazvo otofuna otojola doesn't work like that. I think it comes with the whole marriage mbokoto thing like I must stand by my man forever.
Hey, I say blow mpoto.
Remember we spoke about Makazi's wedding.
Makazi's wedding. Oh, hey. Now I'm like, hey, kind of zonzo mara.
Why is zonzo chinga mara Makazi? Fiba fana.
Tyler raro damangazo actually.
Uloko pengola.
Ngori abe mtamba watu vane vadiva wako penga.
Taila. Zote zvine kwamba. Zvitu zvine kuita hafi the music video ya
Amazon makazire ka Taila ntombi.
Yeah, or no, I just saw ini antu chirate ichi chitudi mimi.
Ari hambe nichizo santoti.
Oh no bomb.
Nigiti bomb. Oh, was really. Yeah, it's panda.
Okay, no, Uri. I watched their video today. I think we uploaded Namusi with because she has a YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, did we go on?
She and the husband were talking about how they met. Yo, bruh. Guys, I don't know it's a DM, eh? It was such a beautiful story. I know you're gonna fall in love with it. Mugona is gonna love it. Guys, it made me believe in love again.
So you weren't believing before that? Somebody allowed to go for it. No wonder I'm so in love. What? Wait, man, I'm in the video remember chiri uzo trenda wena. Niko sonsenda voice note zangu.
Nina kufuna rwimbo. It had nothing to do with anyone.
The wapisa zone about.
But it had nothing to do with anyone. I was in love with the song. But songs have that power. You need to in love.
Hey, wow, man.
No, man. That had nothing to do with anybody. But I'm just saying, Uri. And then I've been read DM Atuma Mutongera like 2017 because Uro Achoko posters never panda zigoro ya. Uri Ajiton Diamanda Budiri, what do you even do for a living? Do you take pictures in front of people's cars for a living? And then that guy was like, I'm an engineer. What do you even do? Who are you to tell me that? And then they fought for some time, Chamba. And they started talking again. It was such a beautiful story. And there's money involved. It makes it sweeter. When money enters, love is sweeter.
Hey, abuzivu. Usina fimi restaurant
kana
angona ngoposta
nomzira kana warira dzamato chichava ni
uchira kutota chere uchira nani gorida munga posta fimi vas dana post munhu asina chere mimi
ningasirindira munhu repumura uchifi una muthu hai
yani. And then anyways, nani khamba ngantu futhi ngazwathayila thi. Who's that guy actually?
Utongola mngana wani arikamwambidzila ngori domupa cloud. Angazviita
no. Whether queen at least wako ita. Hayi. Ufuna ukuza studio umuntu kana. Omza.
Rawela career hotel.
Oh yeah, so no, Holland at least wako chimsa identity yawe. I feel like Tyler's here in Holland.
I don't care urin ndinyithi. Nemara in my head ndizokubona umuntu odzura usamwe oriwawo anakubona zvithu. Because how do you now say check the music video Musa Maria this person ambaro bajerede uko impersonator
I think I have that thing also. Okay.
Zvikotomo uboresa zviko
Ningomona uyo munhu ambaro jasi la red ka second picture. That's Terry Bernard. The leader of Venda Illuminati. This was one of their rituals. Said Zani Karubondo upon it those one or office Satan. And I'm going to Satan. Terry Badan.
How you are
Terry Bernard.
Maracas Guzbojinaga.
Arkapan, the 23. Cafe's picture up. New Guzbana Mangana about the Mumbu. Like just ya guzba ired usimbedza uri ndi leader ya vapengo vawe uyanga uraro. So guzba uita rwimbo runofimisa samari yakomoka mudzima praise Illuminati but wewe napfaunga uko utomurenda. Why ovako nwa harwa kamizi kuti iyo. Okay? Mara. Okay. Ndonibudza uri Venda Illuminati is real. See that white man on the second picture? He controls Illuminati branch in Gauteng. Yeah, ugawa white. Rner Gauteng yapi.
Let's go to my address just in case.
And then, okay, Ufi Frank Pagani.
Frank Pagani.
Anyway, to Makazi Abe, na show you UK. These are very powerful people. And Amanagamrito. So Mrito texted this guy, just like Zonzo did.
And Zonzo angom texted. Na mreto do wambaye to mtu wa screenshot zao zisina chipinga na nabona message zisina chipinga ini
Facebook ana chipinga ini
usi Facebook page
mara tamba ndikoambara shwa Facebook uko hapa
okay itani
ko prophet innocent murito little boy don't play with the name of men of God ndido itauri ni tambule mthanga ndido ni kesa
ndivangazviyamba
ndikanikifa voice yawo acha reply ari neza vafunzi vonofi nezva vapfunzi honopfi vaita uri vatu vatambule tutu zvipfa ini ni muprofitade kunyadzwa mutu chat don't play with my name ndina imwe nokhulusa ini ndidoirumela po yadhaimira family yandu yothena.
Do you think he would say that?
Murito angasiyamba.
No, zvanongasiyambe.
Fake enda.
Yeah. Hi.
Hey,
no, ninga siri niko pomokiwa.
Not go Roni Murito. Mara, from where we got this thing, this is supposed to be Murito. And if we any, Kezo Murito, if we see any, I'm to go impersonate Murito because Murito would say all these things.
I guess.
Murito angasiyambe.
Mimi ndiko pha umntu delusional.
Afini nikurumela koko kuno kwano nibone ndichikubinya. Saini ndichibinya bana. Ndasungiwa ipati. Saini ndichibinya bana watoko mufunzo no wadabadaba. So you will see tonight boy, you are cursed.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Because I'm thinking, kawatu watu wanokuhambo vibaka Illuminati. Atukubona na mtu ane havana chelede Illuminati. So I'm like, what? Is it baby Illuminati? Like, what the hell, bro?
Nika Illuminati nzambi. Charo, royasi do. Yeah, I will guzba. Ufiwa na mbuzi itu. Chara ndoima.
But, bro, like, it's just so annoying. Because did you see Zonzo's interview in where I do YouTube? I don't even know. Why does one send it?
No,
oh, you didn't watch it? I watched it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yo, guys, not TV. Don't quite much fun. Eji Toma. Come on, as you know, I'm just against him, and I'm not. Zonzo, if he does watch. Yeah. So Ichitoma, the other guy, I think mutu ane aba behind yonendi wadi braz ufin hula on huli because oba ngamra ati divindi yawe kana utobaka production na. So he was like, yo, you inspire a lot of Venda guys, and I'm like, where?
Inspire Venda?
I'm like, where?
I
was like, I've never been so shocked. And then the other person was like, oh yeah, you have so Oramini. And then the other boys are Venda. Wanoko interview apala. Habo kofi, yo, bro, tell us about how you got the money, all this money. And I'm like, guys, where? I don't think so.
Okay.
I think he can survive, you know. I think he's okay, but I don't think how did you make your money? Like,
yeah.
Who
gave you the money would be a better question. Right?
Okay.
Okay, zonza woni mara. Isn't
that the question? Okay, I'll come back again. Mangani uri ngoya go uambana. Yo bakhosi na
ina doshim sai pyombusa hapo nkori. How did you get the money kana? Wait, who gave you the money?
I was not even going to ask about the money because I don't think it's worth it. I don't think the question is worth it. I don't think so. I think I already recorded your wutsa zonzo nga cherede. Ringa your wutsa ngo bathu banji nga cherede. You know, I feel like we can ask. I don't want to say who or who, but I feel like ndikutoza mumbulo ri ndingamukompera nanyi. But I don't think una cherede ni ndonga yamsirovidza wobvumbira how did you make your money, you know? Like, oh my god, kana volondani. You know, like, because you can see it. You get what I'm saying. So I'm like, are we at that point now in Venda where we measure money in a bucket head? Like, is that where we are as a nation? Is that what we want to do? Is that how we want to live? Like, is that how we want to do things?
Venda, yo, Jobeke uguchi rumwe. Ela tuage gigine.
Ilo I want to print you.
Ela gigine arekani business tara champo. Santo vinyi. Apa last Saturday.
Oh.
So na mkala bodiera. Usatana mwambara Gucci. Apa ufi Gucci mini? Wama kipacha Gucci Balenciaga.
Shipfa.
Mixa. So no mara bucket net na kama and it was zonzo ne.
No, but and the article I don't think Jine ambarandi fake it or anything because I do feel like he can afford Gucci. Do you understand? Okay. My problem is if we're going to call Zonzo and ask him about money, then we need to call a whole lot of people and ask them about money. Because I feel like it's not amazing. Like, I don't get it, bro. Like, it's just... And the rookie do not benze. I mean, I don't get it. And I feel like Oya Kaelani on purpose. Kaela podcast. They don't know anything. They don't know anything about him. Like, and to come yo, my bro, how did you do all these things? How did you? No, guys, no. Can we not do that? Like, I feel like guys, Venda is doing so well lately. People have money. Like, people in Venda have real money. And for us to now call Venda and the business of Venda Kadzimami Club. So yeah. Yeah, the Majesty, you make a music video, and she was grinding on Jesus.
The Majesty.
Her Majesty.
The Majesty.
Mami Club. Over when it comes to video, other than one wow. So the video used to be
confuse my body works for you.
Nah. Her Majesty Mami Club, that rich woman. So over when it called a music video. So they showed the clip where she was grinding on him, because the other girls were asking how. Wait, are you dating that man? And she was like, no, it was a music video. I don't even want to associate myself with him. And now the other girl is saying, no, Pella, we read this guy is
what?
I don't know. Guys, I don't even think it's true. I don't need to sacrifice, but we need to see the money you're sacrificing. I don't think he's there. So I really feel like and then I don't think I have so much money. I've never seen a clip of him saying but we take him and we put him somewhere else, and I think pressurizer because he probably doesn't know how to live his normal life anymore because Romupa tag and I'm just like, guys, how did you make your money? My boy, it's just a hat. There are people that are buying the Porsche cash and
who's that?
I don't know. I'm just making an example.
No, just no questions about Venda.
But Venda to the ring, but
so anyways, so yeah, this Tyler guy, I don't know, man. Like, hey,
he must just stop smoking weed.
Nah, maybe we'll sober. So if I know recording smoking weed, though, then I prove Kumar the video.
Maybe I've watched a lot of like these conspiracy theories. Music video imitandas. Yes, we do know that they believe
music video is funny.
And then so we end up on a video on YouTube where the person was saying these people are praising a what, and then there was a person of Venda music video so like error, although I don't think I think it was intentional. Like what it was secular for that person. Why do you think there's that person there? You like, I'm just saying, growing up on Disney ichita cursive una 6 cursive. It's giving mixituna madimoni. You get what I'm saying? So I really don't have time for this, man.
Hey, COVID, if you mean Facebook, you're my demon until COVID. Like, oh, damn.
They're like, oh, you here too?
Oh, okay. Oh, Pastor, what is going to be live?
Like, they literally were on me. And that's
when I mix it up. I don't know. I don't think I should do it.
No, I just do because I would stay up.
Hey, anyways, how are you? Why is school up here?
And that's cheaper.
Hi. Oh, so I saw this other thing. You're cut TikTok. This other guy was trying to break a record. 100 billion comments on his post. You see?
Don't tell me not to ever delete.
No, mate. On another video, let's make 100 billion. Then I was like, no, I bet I mean, the Guinness World Records, you know, what the record, what a certificate. So I went through that thing. I got to check what are some of the records. So I went through some funny ones. Things make sense. I'm just like, hey, so this other guy, fastest type in with a nose.
Like what?
Like this guy, Vinod Kumar Chadura from India, New Delhi, set a record for the fastest typing with the nose. He set a record by typing 103 characters in 43 seconds.
Why the hell would you be putting your nose car screen?
Why can screen? I'm sure I'm a computer. Actually,
what if I ship the tablet?
Nah, you still. I'm.
Oh, so the tablet. Yeah.
Yes, my thing. Okay, one. Ian, Fabe. So here's the thing. So
no, correct. Don't press last together. Those Jabara skinny jeans just butchers over the tablet. I made it come out.
Oh, Nana, come on, Matty, Faji Findra. So
let's touch him. No, there was a time it was cool.
Yes, never. Tablet,
what am I saying?
No,
no, ndikwamba une chipinga che utofara ile ditu ndikuzumbira chitaratani nicho vani kuchimbira nikuti zana music no lifara no ambara skinny jeans chisapere
ndiko hano razo azikulu never ndiko
yo
and as never zone ana kana rofindita
kana ratozamisa hani
zazibili zazinantu twanga ufumini mobisele ina kuyama uchambochimisa muntu kamera za mobisele kantu zote like what marile afoda ndinofoda chigwena zamani mumwe asotokunawo andiza ini
chidoba chotobviswa ngaine munga uri chigwena vuyo
ini ariwe afana sasa skin uri mtako type la zosikori ina kana agona zvawo ku type zvinoambana. So there's also that we should consider. So I don't know. And then shortest man in the world is 0.5 meters.
How short is 0.5?
Ne, I'm 1.8. So 0.5.
No, near divine. Somebody named me 1.6.
No, yeah, 1. You could 1.6. 1.6, 1.7. All right. Well, I'm too angawa somewhere. So
Venda no bona ba Westams. Azumfupi.
In Lasu.
Alamagwena.
Atexerenge. Ndibada fobela. Wala mtune mfupi.
No, uba oda fatho.
Still marati ndi party mbili. Isina kuchirifu uko vero haiti amto.
Mara be utoma anichibalwa nane utomova ngola. Animi no tena karapa.
Esula ndizwa mzukuru chiko findi nyora
fo. Ola fo piranyi.
Ngokompera ngobonelela.
Ere chikolo nzwa sinala mshumu.
Mrafu we no guma pa pezi. Something like that. And then the tallest man, they 2.5 meters.
2.5 ndiga.
So 2.5 ndazodi ndiye chitange chifupi zvitanu.
Times 5.
You got enda. Yeah, times 5.
Sure.
Chakunoringana na whole mtu. Like to what picture.
That's crazy.
I'll put the picture out right one. Unaji cause
Binti hashiki.
Na binti hashiki ke lot.
Angaba binti angaba 2.3. Ashombori nayo walwela. Angadozama uida the exercises uida so. Angashika kati. Ngosumbura kala exercise rari chita rivile. Night esasoni ngatatamu.
Night achingona chimwe more. Chia tatamu na tatamu. No, nzo chifunzo zwe.
No,
ini netukombezo. Wamba za giraffe. Obero giraffe dzadzintu.
Ari chotopiki tatamu revero kotwamba zvinhu.
Giraffe dzadzipfupi ti.
Dzava dzichivela
zvilaza zvakopera ngora dzikonura.
Yeye chifeminila theory.
Dia Lamarck, I think.
Yeah, Lamarck.
Lamarckism. Achinga sidiwe chojena into technical. And then longest duration of hula hoop around the bum 55 minutes 4 seconds. Emwan hula hoop kama rao.
But when chipinga ba wina minishade.
No, they get a certificate like ndini in the whole wide world and on it exist.
Mara, who's watching to prove that?
No, you're supposed to. Unazintu ndio check steps za ono. Okay, so how do you then get to nofanya kuita?
Nando tuana valingote ningo ibe yondo zvimbe inisa. Lembe ndio shimana zitaya na wona yashikonana.
No.
Nakure tapada that.
So because at the end ngitopedzana javidia abana watu vafona kuda kujia video they wana watu some of them not. So what we could prove it's actually true.
This could be then did use Google to the world's record.
It's very hard to join Guinness World Records. Those one like it's funny. Like
maybe that could work with FC because ndivandi goes gona magura go bigger dakani.
I go pata pulu ya mino. Itogwiwa so.
nga minutes zvo squeeziwa ine zvila zvote ka 3 minutes
so
pulo yapera
edzo dzezinto records ndiko dzibva ti I've got the funniest dude
what if I don't laugh okay, I'm gonna try not to laugh.
Okay, it's fine, don't laugh mara nekane fun tindori I've got the funny one. I never said it was going to be funny to you. So this guy is called Jonathan Lee Riches. So, he's known as the person who filed the most lawsuits in the world. So first lawsuit, yeah, it and also Miawe, who wasn't taking care of him. She didn't take care of him in the right way. I want $20,000. Like
I'm just trying to think, what the hell, bro?
So, and then he went on to sue his friends, neighbor, fiance, police, judges, big companies, and even the former president of USA, George Bush.
Also,
no, he has judges. So because I'm also if you know a lawyer, I will win a case.
I want to guess you. You know, come swear at me.
So, in total,
Mara, how are you allowed to do that?
I don't know. Either way, so you never know what's possible then what's not. And then he has filed 2.6 cases in different courts. Although okay, I think I will get to it. So he got his name on the Guinness Book records in 1976. So they mentioned that ono filed the lawsuits are 5,000. And then he then he then went and sued them for writing about his personal life and lying about it. What also 5,000, whereas he only did a little 4,000.
Yo,
so they lied
bro.
And that. So I'm like, this guy, on a record, you sue about to. So I'm like, so I'm sure yeah, 76. Probably, yeah. And then, so
I'm sure I'm trying to find out what so.
So guys, so he has won over $8 million in compensation. $8 million, that's 160 million again.
And still. That sounds like a good.
After all these things, so Oyaka TV show, just a podcast like us, so then I walk over this like, oh, like in so I mean, all these things you know quit. Why don't you have someone in your life? You fair talk about to ask our so what disrespect.
What's wrong with Zimo? Guys, no, I feel like Nindengwa.
And then after I win and I won $50,000.
Sounds like a plan. What over pano? Ningasi win.
Awanga pano ngoro nguraya.
Ngamaloya Anthony. Ngamaloya.
Anyway.
Maloya pano unibudze ini. Kandi burura.
So like yeah, like,
I need to watch these things.
The Guinness record. TikTok what he? Like just like whatever. Like whatever you're liking.
Yeah,
like
what you like.
Yeah, like
then
what
it's
you
gonna
like.
give you more of that.
Yeah, so that's the thing at TikTok. And then they're
there's no TikTok like chimuna like ndias go pano go I just like whatever that.
And then that like relax. I'm like, oh why? Mana chiri alantu. Abo blurry mini. Uso chini was satangani. For Mary if mini was black. What was she like? I'm like, what? Come on, man. So hi. Anything you want? In the team. So on what?
Yes, keep Zonyan.
Kabatu. Chanyana. And why nini?
Do I know medical over, guys?
Why?
Also, I'm a jacket and tie and put the Gonyana.
To a festival, Zonyana, I mean, in Shimon.
A week.
Marichu Zonyan no Skuzura. It makes sense.
No, I don't need to bora to DBY. In each keep on reads and no chance on
you're right. No China.
When you did your mouth like that, you look like your little brother. Let's talk about Chigwena. Yeah, you're right. I better cook.
Oh, speaking of zwikipa, yeah,
zwikipa uzoita nizvi.
Nita ine zwikipa mamnanga winter. Tindi udambara jesinga ntha.
Sinomvura. Ndi winter ukorotora.
I'm inside.
Ukorotora.
Oh, nani kore zwikipa zomaholo usvika. Nendo changwa changu.
What? And then I'm saying you're going to stand in there because I was thinking rain to the way wow.
And if you had said that number the number changa, then in there and a channel.
Rashuta anytime.
I'll see. Do that. Your first was called the body. The rapper. And then, speaking of this is go vote you are being as 20.
This 29 it is amazing.
You thought you shake.
I to shake.
It's no shake like
Chekule.
April mar. Jiggy ndime. Okay, mara ni makumune me.
No one knows it was the door to door.
Guy, how ke guru washu.
Who will take it to a guru wash?
Anyway.
Are you gonna go vote?
Ne. Hey, achadi bazwini. Time to bully up. Awe menyana. Vote. Mara
ndo bani kumwala. How no ni kumwala msingale yado.
I know, mara.
You have to study.
So mara ndobon.
You should just go, man. I don't know if that scene is akunuya.
Ndi bandite ndifatsi. So skanda vya yanga ine pala kachigwena. La no pet.
Kachigwena. Nani nombra so ndisoko chifa nditu.
Chikotakuwa.
Chikotakuwa
mchini.
Chapula.
Oh, nicheke interview wena Anele. Akotarichedza Anele Mdod. Yakana 947 on YouTube. Akotarichedza how you got to do that thing.
Oh, I need to go. I love him. He's funny.
Oh,
Julius.
Oh yeah. And Anele is good.
Yes.
Good, too good.
Anele is great.
And then while you're voting, guys, now 2 minutes. Taking also shutting down 9 cinemas.
Why? What?
Probably, but Netflix and chill. Don't you think?
Na Prime Video.
Showmax. Like,
cause I'm thinking, when last did I go to the cinema?
Like everything is at a disposal now.
And there's no movie like one I get the But John Wick and the one I see name.
So kuma.
Barbie, the one I see name.
Like so.
Wow, guys, that's bad.
Technical will lay off almost a third of its 728 employees.
But what doesn't that like tell you, Uri? Anything can happen at like any time, because would you have ever thought Uri Ingawa, look at how big it is. I mean anything Chingawa at any time. Like I don't think
there's nothing that's
certain. For yes.
Nothing is certain for
nothing is certain for
so hey,
Renate listen ravala zviatendi sei.
Blackout right. So you're like,
ibe sharp.
Akazotambiwa phala phethu.
Mara abana beva kushuta apa bavala zvingastendi sei.
Ewa TK. Ravala vafungu rashwangono
avala vatu vasikoperforma papanda hoy ti akobona vala abafish Venda ti akobona vala mukeguru vakosikora cut abangaripi kwamanga
chivenda at like an hour ningasiri ngofashirwambo neanopfina
naisakawara
yeah
abakusikora cut kaudoborodiwa cut hoyu ayakayushubia asidza wana 42 subscribers aromshumo dalesa
no
une imwe yemse akulidza zidrums akobva mabiko ana 27 views ndazvibona zvoriya
no
yes guys
hoyu uita vatu bari because now she's asking because ndori kabuso reconfirm ndione channel yanakana vana me channel
otori ndibudziso
that's a baby channel probably
mina kurela kamsi ndimwe vavura ka mistake
banga password
mara vatomizani ngo no mara vatomizani ngoita zvikipa vasina subscriber
like
vana uniform zvamburi nari kuita zvota ndikombera chikipa chamushumo so the YouTube thing is new baba chiva vakupusha ngangi
it doesn't look new mara they
hoyu ombodirivo jia chelede yo vidza zi subscribe vaita zvikipa hoyu otoamba otozviyamba
I just hope they don't watch this
apa amangasife Venda
vafiminiabe
hai hezvo ari kuya right nyokurisera vo mashavela dzikastama
ndikastama kuranela akuda kutambiwa risango duplicate
chebade
yado duplicate avarwa duplicate subscribers
rivapeka rinova half
so like I was still saying uri 236 people are going to be unemployed. Or wakuluza mishumo. Technical. Actually, technical chapa cha shuma ti. You're not doing a cherada. How was your shuma?
Because you have 4 ways in India.
That's
the thing. That's the thing. Monte Casino and the assist technical even movie times. Even mean.
I don't know. Do you think when you metro is going to survive? Nah.
Yeah, malamulele.
New metro. Technical chi dolanga IMAX.
Okay.
Don't you think? What do 3D yakuma? You don't know as a Gold Reef City. I feel like you need to need see one higher until nichibana home cinema and then you're like
Mara you I feel like rotary woteredza utobva like atiko kondo wana urini wane hodara. Also, I don't think who could me movie no kuri kunga bezwi no ribaro India she says the Black Panther women what
those one
ringa to gidima
searching
majeke.
So guys
aruka have value o'clock
ngazi into ngas 20 min
28
ndidoya
ndezo kuma
zonzo done and then return
do budureso
roya si do
do budurwa mitane
wait
utoka za budurwa mitane
hey it's fine the nusara no tsima kamera
anything
you want to say start to var and to fast oh guys like we said I'm not sure if Rose Jambas or Farah with the Temu. So here's what we have decided to do because it's go weird body. So up until the 10th of June somewhere around there. So what is going to happen every week they could drop an episode. So
Mara not.
So guest diary and then if ever asabana guest do wana diary mbili adantu kana asabana diary wapfa oya
Mara Friday do drop you right.
Is that's going
to are wapo ya guy
oya kosoni ayu kosoni so like
in the crusade in Shambur.
I don't mind, man. So, and you know what I was actually thinking? I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna do this. So here's what I'm thinking. In August, we get every week we get a female. Coast 9. Oh, okay. Happy Women's Month.
Let's go.
So, anyways, guys, do you have anything to say before we close?
No, not nah. I think we're good.
So, yeah, guys, like we said, coming at you live from Lens Hub Studios.
Let's
go. I am Lens Hub.
Hey,
all I want to go shoot my TK.
What communications?
Or repost and as well as when was I reposted? I was what I told.
Wait.
About the one of your mic. Like, how did you get to a point of foreign? You ran about 4. You've done that. So 10 employees.
But you double to them shumuni ushkena ngamandiko na buzura.
Hey, last week you was going, boss. That's what I was boss. Should I leave with the keys?
Come on, oh my God, guys, you serious? Chibacho dangamugo. Pencil skate. Yeah, Mara media also that media I thought the
gang yams with the wood. So I'm to Shuma.
Oh, that's nice, man.
Boss. Shall I leave it?
Shamuri banoko dota tu ange steak and niko bakudangen. Banga kono tola 230 minutes. Yo kata.
Nardo ulo kushmezi. Huh? E blackout chinga siba kone.
Bari bakudoita mimi kudotora.
Ufu dotora under blackout watu.
Arna one zikurubiyo.
Zikubuya ka blackout.
Arna zvikipa, arna aini. Arna aini.
Ngorpa na aini ti. So anyways guys, let's close the network. To ene ka they have. Koi rotora koi.
Kulengere oku.
Andikufuna chisa konyako da pandayo.
Mara hango kata arika diamba. I right.
Kada ade katu ima hapo zaudi. Hai. Producers wa kuma ngo. Ade farese. Mkona have serious. Ait. The trailer.
Don't pengena ngwana.